Hi, this is Alex with Zeta Sky. This how-to training video will show you how to install FortiClient VPN on macOS. The first thing you're going to do is open up your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but you can use Safari or whatever browser you prefer. You're going to want to go to FortiClient.com. That's F as in Frank, O as in Oscar, R as in Ryan, T as in Tom, I as in India, client.com. Once you're here, on the right, just click on the download button. Scroll down under FortiClient VPN, and then click on the Download for macOS button. This will download the installer. You want to go ahead and open the file. The way you do it will depend on your browser, but Chrome and Edge, it just shows up over here. It'll open up a Finder window. Just double click on FortiClient Update. Click on Open if you get this alert. Once it's done downloading, click on the Install button. Then go ahead and click on Continue. This is the license agreement. To agree, click Continue. And then Agree. Then click Install. Type your password. And that password is the password for your local computer, not your Apple ID. So keep that in mind if your passwords for those two are different. Once it's done, it'll say the installation is successful. Go ahead and click Close. And then go ahead and close Finder. And now FortiClient's installed. You can see it's up here in the menu bar. I can click on Open FortiClient Console, which will open up the application and let me go through the setup. Follow the setup instructions that were provided to you to connect to your specific VPN. If you have any questions or issues, please let us know.